I get to see that a lot of people like using these. This trap fits 40,000 flies. Hi, my name is Kong. I am the receiving and warehouse specialist at Rescue. Today, I will be showing you how to set up the big bag fly trap. This one, you'll definitely want to put outside because it has an odor to it. You'll be cutting the top, and there's lines right here to show you where to cut through. So you'll cut around the circle. Once you're done cutting off the top, you'll want to pull it out, just like that. And then there's already an attractant in there which is contained. The next step you do is just pour the water inside, and there is a fill line right here. And once you get closer to the fill line, you'll start to get the scent of the attractant. So after you get it to the fill line, you'll either want to grab a twist tie, a string, or a wire, and then you could tie it onto a branch or a little stand away from the house. I'm Kong, and I hope you enjoy your big bag fly trap. Well, as a receiving and warehouse specialist, I receive all of our materials. My favorite part of the job is knowing how much we sell. It helps around the world, everywhere, to get all these pests away.